Hi everyone, welcome back to Island Vibe Cooking. Today I have a delicious recipe for you guys. I am going to be making this absolutely to die for rosé shrimp pasta. It's so quick, so delicious. Can't wait for you guys to try it, but before I begin, if you're new to my channel, be sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And let's dive into this recipe. We're going to start by boiling the pasta. I have the water already boiling. I am going to add in some chicken bouillon as well as some salt into my water. Now I'm going to add in the pasta. Give that a mix like so and cover it. We're going to allow this to boil for about 7 minutes or until al dente. Okay guys, the pasta is nice and ready. I'm going to turn off the stove. I'm going to pour out the hot water so it doesn't continue to cook. All right. Now we're going to get ready to marinate the shrimp. I'm using large, clean, and deveined shrimp. I'm using onion powder, garlic powder, ground black pepper, creole seasoning, a little bit of lemon pepper in there, paprika for color to season it. Going to drizzle that oil, just a little bit, mix it together. And now we're going to add the seasoning. Just pour that in, mix. And add the remaining. The lemon pepper is going to add a nice zesty flavor to the shrimp. So once you have the shrimp nice and seasoned like this, we are going to cook it. I'm going to drizzle some olive oil to my pot. Now I'm going to place the shrimp in, just like this. Now we're going to cook the shrimp for about a minute per side, so we don't overcook the shrimp, because overcooked shrimp is not pleasant to eat. And it will be cooking some more in the pasta, so that's why we're cooking it for about a minute per side. Then we can flip it over. Time to flip them over because they're looking pink already on one side. It's smelling amazing. Y'all can see how beautiful and golden brown the shrimp is looking so good. We add some lemon pepper to it, so it's going to give it that nice, beautiful, acidic flavor that I like, especially on my seafood. All right, this will cook for about 30 more seconds, then we can take it out. All right guys, time to take the shrimp out. It's looking good, it's smelling good. So we're going to set that aside for now. Just remove and set aside. That's what we're doing. Look at all that flavor, all of that seasoning on there, it's flavor, okay? So set that aside. One thing I forgot to mention, guys, you have to save some of that pasta water, or you can use chicken broth, but I like to use the pasta water. I am going to be using the same skillet. I have about 1 tablespoon of butter here. It's unsalted. I'm going to add that to my skillet. Once the butter is nice and melted, I'm going to add in my minced garlic, as well as some pepper flakes, dry pepper flakes. Give that a mix. And also I have some tomato paste here I'm going to add in. We're going to allow that to fry because you don't want that tomatoey flavor raw, and it's not so pleasant. So I'm going to fry that for a few seconds. Now you can see the tomato paste texture has changed. Now I'm going to add in some onion in there, fry that up. You don't need to add any more oil. We don't want this to be too greasy or too oily. So I'm just going to let that fry until my onions looking translucent. And then we can add in the chicken broth. Not now though, just fry that up for another 10 seconds. Now we can pour in our chicken broth. About half a cup chicken broth in there. Seasoning in. This is my chicken bouillon, ground black pepper, and some dry parsley, okay? Maybe a little tiny bit of that pasta water. Give that a stir. Now I'm going to pour in the pasta. Give that a mix, just like this. And now I'm going to add in my shrimp. Add the shrimp in. The shrimp has lots of sauce that in there as well. You give it a mix, just like this. Like I said, this recipe, I was inspired by the Tuscan shrimp pasta, and as well as we have a Haitian spaghetti that is very similar to this type of pasta. That's how I came up with this recipe. And at this point, you can add some fresh parsley, and basically it is done. It's ready. Perfect. I'm going to add some fresh parsley when I plate it. It looks so good. It smells so good. It has a kick from that lemon pepper. You have that chicken bouillon. I'm going to add some Parmesan cheese. You can add some freshly grated Parmesan if you have that. I wish I had freshly grated Parmesan. And some fresh parsley on top. Ooh. There you go. You have yourself the most delicious rosé shrimp pasta. Enjoy. All right, guys, time for the taste test. This looks absolutely divine. It looks so good. Okay, so I'm going to give it a try. I'm gonna try the shrimp first because the shrimp is calling my name. So let's give that a try. So flavorful, extremely flavorful. It has a little kick. I like that. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Please leave a comment below if you're going to try this one out. Do not forget to give it a thumbs up for me if you enjoy it. And I will see you on the next recipe. Bye, guys. That's it. That is delicious. Can't wait to eat it.